If you want your Motorola to stop rotating the screen when you turn the phone sideways, here's how you can do that. First, swipe down from the top right corner to open the quick settings. And then, depending on your settings, sometimes you'll need to swipe down again to reveal the full panel of quick settings. Then, locate the auto rotate button, which looks like this, and turn that off. Now, your phone is not going to rotate anymore. If you don't see that button, you can tap the pencil icon and then edit your quick settings. From there, scroll down to where you see your available tiles. You could tap and drag any of these into your quick settings. After that, when you go back, you'll have that new button as part of your quick settings. Another way to do this would be through the Settings app. Go to Settings, and then go to Display. And there, you'll also have a toggle for Auto Rotate Screen. Android has a cool little feature where, even if Auto Rotate is off, when you turn your phone, you're going to see a tiny little Rotate Screen icon show up in the bottom right corner. So if I turn my phone here, there it is. I'll tap that once to rotate the screen. Let's do that again. There it is, tap it again. So that's kind of a nice quick way to allow a one-time exception, even if you prefer to keep the orientation locked most of the time. Anyways, that's how you stop the screen from rotating. Click that like button if this video helped you, share this video with someone who needs to learn this, and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.